Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Munai. Today I need to discuss about some problem of derivative. The question is given, differentiate the following function by proper substitution. The question is sin inverse 2x root over 1 minus x square. Here you see, for substitution, whenever a square minus x square given, we have to put expression substitution. When a square minus x square given, we have to put x is equal to a sin theta. When x square plus a square or a square plus x square given, we have to put x is equal to a tan theta. When x square minus a square given, we have to put x is equal to a sec theta. Here you see 1 minus x square given, and that means this is in the form of a square minus x square. So we have to put x is equal to sin theta. 1 sin theta, that is sin theta. We can take y is equal to, then y is equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta root over 1 minus sin square theta. Y is equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta root over 1 minus sin square theta, that is cos square theta. Cos square theta root over, if this is cos square theta, y is equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta into root over cos square theta, that is cos theta. Y is equal to sin inverse 2 sin theta into cos theta, that is sin 2 theta. Y is equal to 2 theta. Sin inverse sin will cancel out 2 theta. You see, x is equal to sin theta. Theta is equal to how much? Theta is equal to sin inverse x. So we have to write y is equal to 2 sin inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay. Then this is equal to dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 2 sin inverse x is equal to 2 derivative of sin inverse x, that is 1 by root over 1 minus x square is equal to 2 by root over 1 minus x square. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square given. We have to take y is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Here you put x is equal to tan theta. So this become y is equal to tan inverse 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Y is equal to tan inverse tan 2 theta. Y is equal to 2 theta. You know theta is equal to tan inverse x. So y is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 2 tan inverse x is equal to 2 tan inverse x derivative, that is 1 by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 by 1 plus x square. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, tan inverse root over 1 minus t by 1 plus t. Differentiate the following function by proper substitution. You put t is equal to cos theta. then you take y is equal to tan into root over 1 minus t by 1 plus t. Y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay, y is equal to tan inverse root over 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta by 2. 1 plus cos theta is equal to 2 cos square theta by 2. Y is equal to tan inverse 2 will cancel out, root over sin square theta by 2 by cos square theta by 2, that is sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Y is equal to tan inverse tan theta by 2. Y is equal to theta by 2. You know theta is equal to how much? Cos inverse t. Y is equal to cos inverse t by 2. Differentiate with respect to t. dy by dt is equal to dy dt of cos inverse t by 2 is equal to half is constant here, half cos inverse t, that is minus 1 by root over 1 minus t square is equal to minus 1 by 2 root 1 minus t square. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem. Question is given, differentiate the following: 1 plus t square by 1 minus t square whole to the power 2 minus 1 whole to the power half. You can take y is equal to 1 plus t square by 1 minus t square whole square minus 1 to the power half. Okay, you simplify it first. 1 plus t square whole square minus 1 minus t square whole square by 1 minus t square whole square whole to the power half. Y is equal to, this is a square minus b square, that is a plus b a minus b. 1 plus t square plus 1 minus t square 1 plus t square minus 1 minus minus plus t square divide 1 minus t square to the power 2 whole to the power half. Y is equal to, this is, you write here, y is equal to, this is minus t square plus t square cancel out, this is 2, this is minus 1 plus 1 cancel out, 2 into 2t square, that is 4t square by 1 minus t square to the power 2. You see half power is given, that means this is 2t by 1 minus t square. Differentiate with respect to t. Okay, dy by dt is equal to d by dt of 2t by 1 minus t square is equal to, u by v formula can apply here, 1 minus t square d by dt of 2t minus 2t d by dt of 1 minus t square divide 1 minus t square whole square is equal to 1 minus t square derivative 2t, that is 2 minus 2t derivative minus 2t minus 2t derivative 1 minus t square, that is minus 2t by 1 minus t square whole square is equal to this is 2 minus 2t square minus 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 plus 4t square by 1 minus t square whole square is equal to how much? 4t square, this is 2t square, that means 2t square plus 2 divide 1 minus t square whole square is equal to is equal to taking common 2 t square plus 1 by 1 minus t square to the power 2. Pause the video, note it down.